BMW Z4 M package. Look at that purple. The inside, I can turn on the seats. It's nice. Convertible soft top. The M40i exhaust. Yeah. I can turn on here on the door. Piano black. It's nice. Want the burbles? Here she goes. It is hot out here today, boy. I don't need no That is so good. That is real good. This is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you're ready for that. Let me go and get my seat ready now. And we ain't even in sport yet.
Yeah,
it's comfortable.
Nah, that's sport.
It's sport?
It's sport, yeah.
Oh.
It was already in it.
Oh,
What the? They driving in the bus lane. Beamer driving.
okay, yeah. I just switched to the comfort. And
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it quiet down a lot.
Yo.
It quiet down a lot. It's a nice little car. It's comfortable. With nimble with like a sport. Oh yeah.
BMW still alive.
Yeah.
Still alive.
Yeah.
Limited models. Oh, really? Okay. So it's still in there.
Actually, it handles better to me.
Then a Supra?
The Supra under power, it kind of does what the X5 does.
Okay.
Oh wait, was that? Yeah. No.
Oh, the i4?
Yeah.
The i4, the electric one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! That let off.
Yo. it's going crazy back there. It's hard to hear with the wind noise though.
Woo! See how we been in the corner.
Oh, she flat. Yeah, this is flat. You want to do a drive-by on this one?
Brakes.
Right there.
Bam. You mind doing it?
Yeah, let's do it. You want to stop it?
No, you
Oh, you want me to do it? Okay.
if you don't mind.
That's crazy.
This car so much. How did it sound from the outside?
Oh, this sounds great. This is not pumped in. No, this is all real exhaust. Yeah, it's so much fun. Woo! Hey man, let me tell you something. Not a lot of cars you can do that. Nah, man. This is a real drive, by the way.
You can feel it fighting though.
Oh yeah. But this felt like all-wheel drive through that corner. Like for real. Boy, you was in the mo part, that bitch would have went that way. It's a sleeper car for sure. Yeah, most people, you know, they're not really popular at all.
They don't do. I wonder, do they make like? I'm pretty sure they make like kits for this. You can make
Oh yeah, for sure.
Did you want to drive?
Nah, I'm good.
You sure?
I already drove it. Yeah.
I didn't know you want
shouldn't make those sounds, man. Not a factory exhaust. Like it sometimes it smack like real loud sometimes. But it's crazy. You got to play with it to get it to go because it don't do the same thing every time. Yeah, man. If you downpipe this, man. Some of the sound. Hey, this thing makes some crazy sounds, man. Like sleeper. Sleeper car, man. Yes, that's what I said, man. It shouldn't make these sounds, but it's crazy, man. Yeah.
Slow down. Gotcha. Gotcha. The loud one. Somebody probably told me.
Well, yeah, that too. And not only that, this car sounds way louder.
Yeah.
I mean, you know what I'm saying?
I couldn't go that fast.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we headed over there.
Yeah, we got it. The last one. We weren't going
It was
just the exhaust.
Oh, no, we got it. It was worth the wait.
Yeah, it was. I think somebody
probably called because they seen us.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we about to go.
Otherwise, you guys